back to Wednesday. Today we will be making some gluten-free pancakes. I am actually very hungry, so let me not talk too much. Let's go ahead, turn the camera around, show you what you need so that you can get cooking and I can get eating. I hope you enjoy watching this video. You need gluten-free flour. I'll talk about this in a minute. You will need salt, sugar, baking powder, vinegar. I'm using coconut milk, eggs, and some oil. Now for my flour, you can use the all-purpose gluten-free flour mix, but for today I am just using a cup of the gluten-free flour because I was running low on that. 1 cup of rice flour and 1 cup of cassava flour. Let me just mount up so that we can get started. In a large bowl, we are going to combine our milk. Again, this is some coconut milk, so you will see the fat rising to the top. That is why I'm mixing it up. But you can use any kind of milk you like, but I'm currently dairy free, so I'm using some coconut milk and some vinegar. And I'll put this aside for a minute. Then I will go ahead and sift my flour. Can manage to do this without making such a mess. There I'll add my salt, baking powder, and this is just some coconut sugar. Don't worry, all the measurements and everything is going to be in the the description box below, so don't worry about the measurements, everything will be indicated over there. So what I'm doing is I'm just whisking everything together. Some sugar crumbs, go ahead and just break them up, mix that all together, and then put that aside. Going back to my coconut milk and my vinegar mixture, I'm going to add in my oil and my 2 eggs and whisk that all together. So at this point, before you continue with anything, just go ahead and preheat your pan. That's what I'm going to do. Then add in your dry into your wet. That is what you're looking for. That is the consistency, and if you keenly look at the batter, you'll see some bubbles. That is just the vinegar reacting with the baking soda. So we leave that to sit for a minute, and then we wait for the pan to preheat, and then we'll start cooking. Now that the pan is hot, just taken a little bit of oil, put it at the bottom, and then using a third of a cup, I'm just going to put in the little pancakes. Try my best to be as neat as possible when cooking them. Enjoy it with a little bit of honey. Your cup of tea or coffee, and some seasonal sweet fruit. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next Wednesday with yet another cooking video. Bye.